Anyway, guys, welcome to our presentation. For the people who doesn't know, my name's Rich, and I'm going to be presenting to you the business, basically. At saka yung kinakwento sa inyong yung kinakwento sa inyong opportunity, ito po, ikakwento ko po rin sa inyo today. So, for the people na first time po titignan to, my intention right now is to share to you a really amazing product. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila any business, you would know a business, magfa-flourish ang isang business pag alam mo maganda yung produkto. Yes or yes? So, what I'm going to share to you is a product that actually changed my life and the lives of the people around me. So, from my family, from my business partners, when they actually used the product, when they actually saw the potential of the product, sobrang ang ganda po yung nangyari sa kanila. And of course, like what I said, kung maganda ang isang produkto, definitely yung business nito is maganda din. Why? Because marami na rin po naging magandang resulta dito po sa community namin. And I'm not just telling you that it's not just about financial. It's really about life-changing opportunity. It's really about life-changing results. Yun po yung nangyayari na po sa amin. So we've been in the company for more than 1 year and 9 months. Okay, magmagano na rin kami. Malapit na rin kami mag 2 years dito. And the results is really tremendous. Ang galing po talaga yung mga nangyayari po. And I'm so excited just to share to you kung ano tong business na to. Okay, so if you're ready, if this is your first time, can you please type in, I'm ready. Sige, ilagay nyo lang yan para at least makapag-start tayo. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, pakita ko na po sa inyo yung PowerPoint. Yes, thank you sa mga nagme-message. So, if you can see the PowerPoint, can you give me a thumbs up? Yes? Alright, thank you. Malinaw naman? Yes? Okay, thank you po. So for the first timers, ladies and gentlemen, ito po yung ating pinaka-product natin, which is the iTerracare, brought to you by Prive International. This is the most powerful terahertz frequency device today. Can you imagine this is when you really jump into the rabbit hole of terahertz, sobrang amazing talaga itong technology na to. And it's such a blessing na naging available na siya sa atin. Kasi kung titignan nyo to, yung mga products na ganito, it actually goes to the medical field. Doon po siya pumupunta. And usually, mayayaman lang ang nagkakaroon ng ganito. But right now, it is available and affordable for the people na. Imagine mo, it's nasa grasp na natin, nasa kamay na natin, pwede nyo na po siyang makuha. So, why am I so excited with this? Kasi po, ang ganda nga ng result. That's what I'm talking about. Now, disclaimer lang, this is a appliance, okay? This is not a medical device. It's just a simple appliance na nagkataon po na magandang effect sa katawan. Okay, take note about that, Itong machine na to, magandang effect sa katawan. Nagugulat nga ako kasi marami rin palang product na binibili natin na hindi maganda sa katawan natin. Di ba? Perfect example, cellphones. Whether you like it or not, yes, nagagamit natin siya, pero hindi pala magandang effect sa katawan natin. Masyadong malakas ang radiation. Unlike this device, it goes to the contrary na kahit appliance siya, ang ganda ng effect sa katawan. Good news ba yun? Yes? Ayun. So, tingnan nyo to Bakit ako na-open sa ganitong product? Simple lang to. Bakit ako na-open sa ganitong technology? If you look at it, inong ancient times, sa mga panahon dati, people are born. Ito lang yung cycle The life cycle is people are born, they age, they die. Ganun lang po yung cycle before. Nakatulog lang, nag-pass away, ganyan lang yung mga kwento, yung mga panahon nila Jesus Christ. Ganun lang po yung life cycle ng tao. But right now, in the modern times, people are born, they age. Okay, hindi ko sinasabi they get old, they age. They get sick. That's why they died. Namamatay kasi nagkasakit. Why is this happening now? We are talking about 20 years old, 25 years old, dropping dead sa trabaho nila. Why is this happening? It's because of the lifestyle. The modern lifestyle is making us sicker. Nagkakasakit na talaga tayo. Whether you like it or not, from the food that we eat, the water that we drink, and the air that we breathe, the environment that we have, it's causing us problems. This is the reality now. And if you look at this, guys, they even made a research na majority of the cases, ba't nakakasakit? It's not really, marami pong tinamaan ng COVID, marami pong tinamaan dyan, pero the reality is, ever since, it's always about heart problems. It's always about stroke. It's always about chronic pulmonary diseases. Nakakagulat, meron pang ang nag-research, this was shared to me a few weeks ago, that one of the causes of death is actually malpractice. Ano yun? Yung mga, sorry ha, kung may mga doctors tayo, I didn't make this research. This was actually research done.
Misdiagnosis.
Ano no?
Misdiagnosis.
Misdiagnosis. One of the basic causes, nagkamali ng bigay. Nagkamali ng diagnose dun sa tao. Pero kung titingnan mo, why is this happening? Because at the end of the day, it's always a hit and miss. Siyempre, tao lang rin yan. You have to understand. They do study what they're studying right now, but they're not gods. They have to actually check what can help our bodies, and majority hindi po talaga nabibigay yung tama na dapat para sa katawan natin. Oh my gosh, grabe talaga. And if you look at this, sa sobrang grabe yung mga causes ng lifestyle, chronic diseases, dyan ngayon tinatamaan not just our health, but also our finances. And this is why I keep on telling people, you always hear this, it's better, di ba? It's literally, prevention is better than cure. Lagi natin to naririnig, but not everyone is taking it seriously. I am telling you guys, we have a friend right now, pinagdadaanan nila itong case na to. Because of the sickness, imagine mo, 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, 2 weeks in the hospital, more or less around 3 to 4 million pesos na po ang nasa ang kailangan nilang bayaran. I may be exaggerating sa 4 million pesos. Kasi sabihin na lang natin, 2 million na lang. Can you imagine spending 2 million pesos just for medical expenses? Hindi po na biro magkasakit. And even to the point a lot of people are suffering so much pain in the body. And one of the reasons is because of blockages. And you know what? Because of this realization, buti na lang lumabas tong product na to. Buti na lang lumabas tong opportunity to. Because this literally deals with majority of the problems that we are facing right now. Sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, ito napakagaling na tao to. Alam natin, kilala natin to lahat. Sabi niya nga, that the future of medicine is the medicine of frequency. So we have to be open, guys. What is this frequency he was talking about? Now look at this, guys. Ang good news nito, dati pa lang sinasabi na ni Albert Einstein, but right now the technology is already available. Look at this. What does the machine does? What does the machine give us, rather? Number 1, it heats our bones. Mamaya explain ko yan. Activates the dormant stem cells. And third, like what I said kanina, removes the blockages. Narinig nyo kanina sinabi ko, di ba? One of the basic pain problems ng tao is because of blockage. Yan na. Tinatanggal nitong machine na to. Tinatanggal yung blockages para matanggal yung pain. Good news ba yun? Di ba? Sobrang good news. Ang nakakatuwa dito, sa sobrang ganda ng product natin, napakadami na pong mga personalities na gumagamit na po ng product natin. And take note, these are people na they're not endorsers. They're not endorsers, but they're using the product. They have benefits from the product already. And right now, advocate na rin sila. Alam mo yun, naikakwento na nila sa mga kaibigan nila. And nakakatuwa po, even po sa ibang bansa, kumakalat na po itong produktong to. Lalong-lalo na sa Amerika. Grabe. Yung mga puti, nagugustuhan yung produkto natin. Can you imagine? They are so open with our technology. Kaya lahat po sila tuwan-tuwa sa benefits nito. So anyway, so let me just share to you a little bit of the testimonies that we have. Ito po medyo na-compile namin. Ito po, may mga luma, may konting bago. Kasi nga sa sobrang dami, alam mo yon, grabe, hindi na namin alam kung paano i-compile to So look at this, guys. This is one of the testimonies. Ito, napakagaling when it comes to diabetes. Lahat po na may mga problems sa sugar, ito po ang pinaka-recommendation ko. Ang ganda ng effect. Imagine mo from 291, using the product for less than 15 minutes of using it, ang naging result from 291 nag 256. O di ba? Ganyan kabilis yung resulta nito. Tapos ito pa po, isa pang diabetic, 201 nag 185. 10 minutes na ginamit yung machine. Tapos another testimony is this lady, kung nakikita niyo po dito sa side, nagkaroon siya ng problem sa muka. So this is muscle problem, pwede siya nakukuha usually sa stroke. Ito po usually mga Bell's palsy na naririnig nyo. Ginamit yung machine, bumalik po sa normal yung mukha niya. Okay, ito po testimonies from Malaysia as well, from China, same issue. Imagine mo kanina Pinoy, ito ibang lahi, pero parehong naayos po yung mukha nila. Ito naman po, mga problems sa stiffness sa katawan, yung sinasabi nilang frozen shoulder, naririnig niyo yun? So imagine mo itong product na to, it helps. Okay, babalik ulit yung movement, na itataas ulit yung kamay. So ito naman po, if you have friends or mga kakilala who has problems with the eyes, from glaucoma, from redness, imagine mo redness from the eyes. Hindi na to sore eyes eh. Kasi nga, masyadong strained yung mata natin. Imagine mo the products help. Is that good or very good, guys? Sige, comment kayo dyan. I want to feel your energy, guys. So imagine mo, ganun kabilis yung effect nitong product na to. Another testimony that I really have to share is this one. Na-paralyzed po siya. Sinabihan pa ng doktor, within 60 days, if nothing happens, paralyzed ka na forever. Can you imagine So the first day, ayan po, tinerapy siya. And on the 8th day, she was able to lift her legs. This is how powerful the product is. Now, ang good news nito, they continued using it. And on the 53rd day, she attempted of standing up using a walker. And good news, ayan po, nakalakad na po siya using a walker. Can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen? Grabe. And this is her right now. If you look at her, what she looks like then, looking at her sa current picture niya, oh my gosh, she looks younger. Yes or yes? You have to admit, guys, she actually looks younger. So now, what else? Anything, may mga problems sa arthritis, rheuma, carpal tunnel, sciatic nerve, our product helps. It's really amazing, guys. Ito po, 15 minutes of using it, nakita mo, nag-move, nagagalaw at nako-close open niya ulit yung kamay niya. If you have problems with varicose veins, kahit medyo malasawa na yan, I really recommend this product. Why? This lady actually used it for 2 months. 2 months of using it, ayan kuminis ulit. I actually have a staff here who has the same testimony. Sa kanya naman parang spider web. So medyo bata pa siya kasi ang pinakaugali niya, every time she goes home, naghuhugas ka agad ng paa. So doon nag-start yung varicose veins niya. And right now, oh my gosh, she used the product kasi I let my staff use my product. So ginamit niya. And you know what? In less than 2 weeks, nawala po lahat yon at ngayon nakakapag-shorts na. Oh, di ba? Ganun siya ganun kagaling. So if you have any skin problems like psoriasis, eczema, from simple rashes, our product helps. You know what? It doesn't just help yung mga chronic disease na ganito it actually helps yung face. So it improves skins. Imagine mo, it will improve your skin. It will make you look younger. How many of you would love to look younger? Yes or yes? Sino gusto dito? Sige nga, sino dyan ang gusto mag-look younger? Because at the end of the day, guys, I'll explain it to you later. Galing talaga ng technology nito. So ito naman po, another testimony that we have. Ito, another amazing testimony. Kasi ito po, this was actually conducted by the host a while ago, si Mr. Oliver Ronquillo. So this is a sister of our very good friend. Ang nangyari po dito kasi, she was paralyzed for 4 years. So wala na mobility talaga sa katawan. And I am gonna share this itong video sa inyo. Ayan medyo i-off ko lang yung sound para marinig. Tingnan nyo, nakita niyo yan? Gumalaw yung kamay. Okay, gumalaw yung kamay. Dati kasi hindi niya na nagagawa yon. So, kusa, gumalaw. Ito ngayon yung nakakatawa. Yung sa next video. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ano niya, yung paa niya, biglang nagkaroon ng reaction. Bakit? Bakit? Ano naman yun kung umangat? Kasi yung paa na yan, wala na siyang pakiramdam. Wala na siyang nararamdaman dyan. Kasi nga, kaya pag na-stroke ka ng manhid. So imagine mo, on that moment, na feel niya yung heat. Mamaya, explain ko kung ba't may heat yan. Pero na-feel niya yung heat ng machine, ng blower ng machine. Ito ngayon ang nakakatawa on the next video.
Ibababa mo naman siya na hindi mo tuloy.
Yan, yung voice na yan, that's the sister. So imagine mo, ang sinasabi, itry mo naman iunat. Itry mo, kanina kasi na ganun mo, itry mo lang iunat. What happens? So, syempre, kasi nga nandiyan si Sir Oli, medyo na natagalan eh. Blinover niya ulit. Blinover niya. Oh my gosh, you have to see this, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. Okay, ayan na.
Naangat ko na rin yung sarili ko.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Bigla, imbes na iunat yung kamay, naiangat niya yung buong katawan.
Pag walang hawak,
Good or very good? Isn't this amazing? Can you type amazing?
kailangan ko bang hawak bago?
Grabe, no? Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And, this is the thing.
Kasi dati ito,
This is her now. Being paralyzed for 4 years, cannot do anything. To be honest, di ba, being a burden already. Nararamdaman niya na burden siya sa family niya. Now, she can literally wash dishes. She can take a bath on her own. Pwede na rin siya magbihis mag-isa. It's literally giving her life back. Is this amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Sobrang galing. Now, why is this happening? Ba't marami nagkakasakit? Simple lang to. Sabi nga ni Dr. Joe Dispenza, we could all say that all diseases is a lowering of frequency. Ano yung sabihin nun? Pag lowering of frequency, ibig sabihin bumababa yung energy mo. Bumababa yung energy mo sa katawan. Tandaan mo to, ang katawan natin, it's like a battery. Pag ang katawan mo nalolobat, parang cellphone, parang any device na may battery, pag nalobat, it becomes useless. That is the same thing with our body. If your body has no more energy, has no more battery life, wala na siyang kwenta. Yes or yes? Kaya nga, ano bang ginagawa nitong machine natin? Simple lang, it energizes the body. So what does it, how can it help the body ngayon? It uses terahertz frequency. Now, I want you to research on terahertz frequency kasi makikita nyo dito, para po siyang microwave, parang nandiyan dyan, nasa gitna ng microwave, infrared. So, nasa gitna siya. So, what is the difference from all of these frequencies? Etong terahertz, take note is the only frequency that resonates with our cells. To make it layman's term, ito po yung nakikipag-usap sa cells mo para gisingin. Hoy, gumising ka, kailangan mo magtrabaho. Yan ang trabaho nung terahertz. Imaginein mo, ganun ang ginagawa niya. So, ang nangyayari po, once terahertz pumapasok sa katawan nyo, what it does with the help of all of our technology, after gisingin, pinalalakas. At once na lumakas ulit yung cells mo, Diyan ngayon nagkakaroon ng amazing results. Kaya nga may nagtatanong sa akin, Sir, bakit yung galing ng product nyo nakakagaling? Guys, hindi po nakakagaling yung product. I have to be clear. Ang trabaho ng machine natin, it energizes, it wakes up your cells, it energizes your cells, para pag lumakas yung katawan mo ngayon, yan ngayon yung nakakalaban sa sakit. So it will help your body to fight whatever diseases it needs to fight. Is that clear? Klaro po ba yun? So it's not the machine, it's still your body. Pero naniniwala ako, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan ng tulong ng katawan natin. Alright. So sino po gumawa ng machine natin? Ito po si Professor Yang Wenjun. Siya po yung nag-create niyan. He created the first terahertz machine. Ayan po, nakakita niyo sa picture. And he innovated it para po mas lalo natin magamit at mas lalo maging affordable yung kagandahan ng machine na to. So, ano ba po ang laman nitong machine natin? Simple lang. It has 3 core technologies. Number 1 is our terahertz, which is, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it resonates with the cells, Ito po yung kumakausap sa cells natin para gisingin. Number 2, meron po siyang quantum, which is kung naririnig niyo po dati yung mga pendant, yung mga bracelet, alam ko narinig niyo yun dati. So ano tatrabaho ng quantum? It actually energizes the cells. Ito po yung nagre-recharge ng cells natin. And third technology na meron tayo is the optical quartz. Ang pinakatrabaho nito, kung makikita nyo, if you have the machine, once you have your machine, once you've purchased your own machine, makikita nyo po meron siyang crystal na nasa harap. That is the optical quartz. At ang pinakatrabaho nun, it amplifies the power of the quantum and the terahertz, which reaches, ito pinakamatindi, it reaches your body 20 to 30 centimeters deep. So talagang cellular level ang penetration sa katawan mo. Plus, the bonus is, it mimics the heat of the sun, at least 1/40 of the heat of the sun. Can you imagine na para kang may portable vitamin D sa hawak mo? Anytime, kahit walang araw, gamitin mo yung machine niyan. It gives you vitamin D anywhere, anytime. Yan ang nagagawa ng machine natin. Alright? In connection with that, bakit may heat? Sabi nga ni Hippocrates, if there's a way to heat the bones, all diseases can be treated. Guys, imagine mo, siya na nagsabi niyan. Si Hippocrates na nagsabi, which is the father of ancient medicine. Yan po yung oath natin na sinasabi lagi ng mga doctors. Galing po sa kanya yon. And ito po yung benefit ng heating your body. Alright? I'm not gonna explain everything, but all of this, nakikita nyo lahat yan. Lahat yan nagbe-benefit sa katawan natin pag mainit, pinaiinit yung buto natin. Kaya pala, and it got me thinking, kaya pala, maraming pong mga traditional Chinese, mga Japanese, even sa Korea, what do? They actually spend at least once or twice a week. Nagbababad sila sa onsen, nagbababad sila sa hot springs. Kasi alam nila na may magandang benefit sa katawan ng tao. Unlike tayo, mga Pinoy, hindi tayo sanay dyan. May hot springs tayo, ayaw natin gamitin. Because we are not educated enough na maintindihan natin that heat helps us generate so many things sa katawan. Good or very good? I hope you guys are learning. I mean, this is gold information, I'm telling you. So, the beauty with the product is how safe it is. Ladies and gentlemen, from matanda to bata, pwede pong gamitin yung machine. Ganon katindi yung product natin. Even po sa animals, ginagamit po to sa mga sa mga fur babies nyo, sa mga pets nyo, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin. Tapos may nagtanong sa akin, Sir, di ba appliance yan? Baka naman may radiation. I got you. Tignan nyo to. Ang pinaka-the best dito, yung ating machine, tines po. Okay? Tines po. Ito, gusto ko makita nyo to. Puinesto siya, tignan nyo to puinesto siya sa tabi ng electric stove. Imagine mo, sumisipa ng 1,000 plus yung radiation niya. Okay? Sumisipa ng 1,000 plus. Nung ginamit po yung machine, ayan tingnan nyo to, ginamit po yung machine at blinower po. Ayan, blinower yung pan-check kung may radiation. Tignan nyo to. 0 radiation ang ini-emit niya. Good or very good? Grabe, di ba? Na itetest yung product natin para makita mo 0 radiation. Safe na safe ka sa product natin. Alright? So, anyway. So, ang maganda dito, we have 62 clinical studies of our product and it shows that the number one thing that the product helps, okay? Ang tinutulong mismo sa ng product natin is inflammation. Yung pamamaga, yung mga bara-bara, yan yung isa sa pinakamarami naming testimonies. Kaya grabe talaga itong product na to. I'm telling you, man. So, what else do we do with the product? We use it to charge our water. What does this mean? What does it mean to charge your water? Simple lang. Once you blow your water and you're starting to charge it, what it does, it changes the molecular structure of the water. From dating kumpul-kumpul, ginagawa niyang linear. Bakit linear? Para pag ininom mo, mas mabilis yung penetration ng water and absorption ng water sa katawan. Good news ba yun? Kaya marami kaming cases, pag inom ng water, ramdam nila hindi sila bloated. That is the beauty with this product. Another, okay, ito pa yung pinakamaganda sa ginagawa namin. We really suggest, especially to the ladies, change or rather take out yung mga blow dryer nyo. Research on it. One of the worst sources ng radiation is actually blow dryer. Kaya pala maraming babae mas mabilis magka-migraine compared sa lalaki. Lalo na kung ganitong hairdo. Pag ganitong hairdo mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-blower. Paano ba yung mga dyan, mahahaba buhok? Suggestion, use our product. Kasi mas maganda ng option yan na blower. Plus nagiging healthy pa yung mga cells nyo. Alright? So when you use the product, make sure na wala po kayong any foreign objects sa katawan nyo. From stent sa heart, from pacemaker, kung meron kayong mga bakal sa katawan, please, if you have that, wag nyo po i-blower directly, pwede nyo daanan, wag nyo lang pong tutukan. Clear? If you're pregnant, if you have your monthly period, please, wag nyo pong tutukan po doon. We have a blowing guide for you and you can use this and you can ask from the person that invited you. Kung meron sila nung blowing guide, we are more happy to send it to you. Alright? Now, once you have your machine, once you are on hand na po yung machine nyo, you already purchased it, nasa iyo na, make sure to use it on your body and make sure to blow the spine. Have someone, your loved one, to blow the spine. Bakit? Kasi nandiyan po lahat ng dormant stem cells. And your dormant stem cells, once na magising yan, once na ma-activate yan, it will look for any problem sa katawan mo. Pag nakita niya may problem sa heart, pupunta sa heart para maging heart cell. Pag nakita sa lungs, may problema, pupunta sa lungs, nagiging lung cell. May problema sa brain, pupunta sa brain yan, magiging brain cells. So ang pinakaginagawa nung cells mo, it replaces all of the worn out cells at ito na po, nagiging brand new na siya. So eventually, after using it for months and months and months, you will eventually have brand new organs. And listen to this, once your organs are internally nagiging young, it will manifest outside. Whatever happens inside, it will manifest outside. Your organs are becoming younger, and you will become younger. Oh, di ba? Are you excited to become younger? Grabe. Ako talaga, addict na ako talaga dito sa produkton to. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the blowing guide. If you, when you start using it, when you have your machine, like what I said, make sure to blow your water first. Make sure na siya, kung pwede po, room temperature water, room temperature, or kung warm water, mas better. Then you start blowing on the meridian points. These are the, ito yung mga, chakra points. So make sure na i-blower mo yan. And if you have high blood, make sure na wag nyo po i-blow sa bunbunan or dito sa top of your head. Why? Because at the end of the day, it will help your blood circulation. Papagandahin niya kasi yung blood circulation mo. And we don't want the blood to rush in to your head. Clear po ba yun? Kasi baka magkaroon ka ng dizziness and everything. So we, just for precaution, do not blow it on top. Clear? But you can blow it on the face. Wag lang po tutok sa ulo. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, once you've experienced our product, sobrang grabe to an hour of using this, para ka na pong 10 times nagpa-acupuncture, para ka pong 20 times nagpa-cupping, 30 times nagpa-guasha, para ka pong 40 times nagpa-massage. Ganun yung effect ng product natin. Kaya magugulat ka. Once this is your first time to use it, ang una mo na mafe-feel mo, para kang aantukin. Ganun katindi yung effect ng product. Bakit ka naman naantukin? Because your cells needs to recharge. Kaya kailangan matulog. Gets mo? It will recharge. Yun yung ginagawa ng machine. Alright? So now, sa akin, ladies and gentlemen, this is our goal, di ba? We want to share this product not just to people that we know, but also with the people we don't know. Because at the end of the day, everyone needs this product. And I believe there is someone in your family who needs it more than you. Do you agree? Yes or yes? So we can be a big help. We can start sharing this product, and at the same time, when you do share this, you also gonna make money. How many of you would love to make money? Yes or yes? Sige nga, I want to see some hands. I can see like videos naman naka-on. I can see naman. Sige, maganda kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Yes, thank you ha. And also, how many of you would love to make money while helping people? Sino yung ganon? Yung dahil nakakatulong, mas lalong ginaganahan. Yes? Ganon rin ba kayo? Oy, perfect. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nagtaas ng kamay, ha? Thank you po. So now, let me jump into this. I'm gonna share to you how we can make money dito po sa Prive International. That's why I'm here. I want to share to you how you can get the full benefit nitong negosyo natin. Are you ready? Yes? Yes! Salamat po. Okay, ito na po. So, click lang natin ulit to. Okay, so now, this is the business plan and I'm gonna be fast with this. So wag niyo po kayo matakot na na pakinggan to. Wag rin kayo matakot na hindi niyo maintindihan sa umpisa. Kasi at the end of the day, kung first time niyo po ito mapapakinggan, okay lang. Okay lang kung hindi mo maintindihan. Why? You can always review it. You can always ask for questions. But at least, magkaroon lang kayo ng idea how it works and at least magkaroon rin kayo ng path kung paano niyo ito gagawin. Alright? So now, this for obviously this is a disclaimer. This the amount and I'm going to be sharing to you at the end of the day is based on effort, not just with you but also with your community and with your team. So tandaan nyo to, you are the CEO of this business. So whatever result that you're going to get, it's basically out of your effort as well. Clear po ba 'yon? Okay. So now, this is the owners of Prive International. So makikita nyo po dito, ito po yung apat na nagsimula ng Prive International, starting from Mr. Casey Tan, Stephen Lai, Jimmy Chong, and of course, the group president, si Mr. AC Go. These are the 4 people who has been ruthlessly building the market of Prive International. And nakakatuwa po kasi, when you visit, this is our KL office, Kuala Lumpur. This is the pinaka-home base natin to. So everyone's actually is welcome to visit the office anytime. If you have if you come across na mapunta ka po ng Malaysia, I really suggest that you visit this office. And manonotice mo rin the growth of Prive International. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nga sa sobrang ganda ng product natin, we have received numerous awards and recognition because of the beauty and the result of our product. And that is why the owners actually partnered with Deschang. And right now, sobrang good news, we are the global and sole, tingnan mo to, global sole exclusive distributor of all the iTerra Care devices na linabas na po. Okay? So tayo po ang nagpa-pioneer nito. Sobrang galing, sobrang exciting. Plus, the good news is we are growing. Dumadami na po yung matitindi nating products and I encourage you to really look into this. Ang ganda po ng mga iba nating produkto. Sobrang galing. Ako personally, in love ako sa Oxytap at sa Bio. So kung hindi nyo pa alam yan, ask your sponsor or the person that invited you. Alright, let's jump in. Our business is growing. We are actually right now in 82 countries. Sobrang galing 82 countries na tayo. Ganon kabilis yung natin, yung growth natin. And sobra ako excited kasi when we just started with this few blowers. Ito po yung nakikita nyo. This is the price point for Philippines. Siyempre sa ibang bansa, medyo nag-iiba yung price. Depende kung gaano kalayo sa Malaysia. Pero so far, out of all the other countries, tayo na yung pinaka mababa. Okay? Tayo yung pinaka economical. Yun na lang yung price. Alright, may nagtanong, Sir, ano pinagkaiba ng pula compared dito sa violet, dito sa So the names of this is the classic. This is the classic unit. So for personal use, this is fine. Ang difference lang nito is they all have terahertz, they all have the same heat. Kaya lang yung efficiency medyo nagkakaiba. For example na lang itong kulay pula na to, pag ginamit mo to, usually ang blowing sequence niya siguro mga 40 umaabot na ng 40 minutes. After 40 minutes it needs to shut down because it needs to rest. Kasi nga it's the blowing mechanism niya, hindi po siya ganun ka efficient. Ganun na lang 'yun. Okay? So nasa 40 minutes 'yan. Dito naman mas matindi. Okay, mas tumatagal. So kung dito 40 minutes, dito umaabot siya ng more than an hour. Okay? Iyan naman yung kagandahan dyan. Pag dito ka naman sa premium, mas mahaba po ang buhay niyan. Okay? Pero ako advice ko sa inyo, if you're gonna be doing this as a business, make sure to have a pro unit. Why do you need a pro unit? Ito kasi, nasa medical grade siya, medical standard. Dito kasi, household standard to. Dito, medical standard siya. So dito po, na-test ko na po, even using it for 5 hours, kung malaki kang pamilya, gamitin nyo na lahat, perfect tong Pro para sa inyo. Pero kung personal, the Classic is also good. But for me, I love the Classic, but I eventually have my own Pro. Yan po yung ginagamit namin ngayon. Clear po ba? Alright, so if you have any questions, let me know. So, ito po yung mga iba nating products. Sobrang galing ng mga products natin. Like what I said, this is the bio and I want you to know about this. Sobrang ganda nito, yung bio natin. At ito naman po yung ating OxyTap. Ito naman nakakadagdag ng oxygen sa katawan nyo. Okay, next time na po yan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do you start your business? Are you ready? Would you like to know how to start your business? Yes! Salamat pa, salamat. Salamat sa mga nagko-comment. Salamat po sa mga nagre-react. So this is how you start. You are gonna choose your package. Now, how do you choose your package? It depends on the product you're gonna get. Now, listen to this, guys. Every product that you purchase, once you purchase it, meron siyang equivalent points or PV. So, for example, you chose to get a Classic or a Premium Plus, itong Violet. This falls into silver. Bakit? Kasi once you get this, you actually purchased worth 200 PV or 200 points. Ganun lang kasimple. Once you purchase 200 points, you are already a silver. Good? Okay. Now, let's just say you bought a premium, okay? A premium unit or you bought 3 classics. Yung iba kasi bumibili 3 classics eh. Bakit? Kasi may mga kapatid. Gusto nila, ayaw nila maghiraman. Gusto nila tagi-isa sila. So once you buy that, that is worth 600 points, your membership will be gold. Kasi 600. And of course, obviously, when you buy a Pro or 10 Classics, malaking pamilya, di ba? Or a Bio, that is more than 2,000 points, you are automatically a Diamond member. Clear po ba yon? So, dun po natin nag-gauge kung ano po yung membership dito. Depende sa pinurchase nyo na product. Alright? Now, once you purchase your product, you will have your own account. Meron ka na pong tinatawag natin na back office. So you can check all of the progress of your business dito po. All of the computation, all of the monitoring ng system and ng grupo mo, ng network mo, makikita mo na po dito sa back office natin. Now, we have 8 ways to earn and we have split that to 3 sections. So meron tayong tinatawag na fast track income. Ito na po yon. Meron rin po tayong tinatawag na mid income. And nandito na rin po yung back-end income. So obviously from the fast track, ito kasi starting point mo. Kaya siya tinawag na fast track kasi ito yung mabilisan na pasok ng income. Now of course, habang lumalaki yung network mo, habang lumalaki yung community mo, it gets into the mid income or the middle income. And the long-term business here is actually the back-end income. Ito na po yung pumapasok yung residual business dito po sa platform natin. Alright? So, what I'm gonna do, as fast as I can, I'm gonna be sharing everything, okay? More or less, it's going to be more of, what do you call this? Overview of of how our marketing plan works. So, like what I said, dahil first-timer ka, it doesn't mean magigets mo to kaagad. But I encourage you to check it or watch it again or ask your sponsor to actually refresh you again on how this works. Okay? So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Number 1, you get a sponsor bonus every time you sponsor somebody. Now, how does this work? Simple lang to eh. When you sponsor somebody, like for example, dito si Jaisel. Okay? I saw a name, Jaisel. Jaisel, ikaw na lang gagamitin ko ha. So, si Jaisel ngayon, let's say, she recruited me. In-invite ako ni Jaisel, I bought a Classic. So, where do I fall? I fall under silver membership. Tama po ba? Kasi bumili ako ng Classic eh. That's 200 points. So you get silver. So I get a membership of silver. Now this is the good news. Kasi Jaisel is my sponsor. Siya po yung nag-invite sa akin. She will get 10% based on the PV. So 200 points, getting 10%, that is $20. Clear? So, question, ilan ba pwede niyang imbitahin? She can invite as many as she want. Hanggat kaya niya, hanggat gusto niya, she can invite. So, for example, ako naman, instead na bumili ako ng silver or isang Classic, I bought a premium. That is 600 points. So, automatic, my membership is gold. So out of the gold, you get 10%. JCell, you get $60. Alright? So saan pumapasok yan? Pumapasok doon sa back-end office nyo. Pumapasok doon sa system mo. Alright? And of course, when I purchase a diamond or I purchase a pro, I got a iTera Bio. So automatic, I become a member, I become a diamond, you get a commission or a sponsorship bonus of $200. If you sponsor 10 people, you get $2,000. If you sponsor 20 people, you get $4,000. Oh, ang dali lang ng math, no? Okay, so yun po, ganun lang kasimple. Now, what else will happen? Additionally, JCell, you will get what we call a redemption or royalty bonus. Ano na naman to? Besides the sponsor bonus, you will be getting an additional, for every silver mo, you will get an additional $70 na papasok sa royalty redemption bonus mo. Wow! Ano to? Ito yung mga bonus na pag naipon mo, you can literally buy products from our back office. Di ba amazing? You actually get free products. Oh, so what do you do with the free products? It's up to you. You want to use it, you want to sell it, you want to give it away, it's up to you. So sa amin po, this is our benefit. Every time we sponsor somebody, we get $70 for every silver. And if you sponsor a gold, you get $240. And wow, when you sponsor a diamond, you get $1,000. So can you imagine, sponsor 4 people, you are guaranteed you're gonna get and you'll be able to redeem a pro unit. Wow! That is amazing, right? That is amazing. So that's one of the perks of doing this business. Okay? So, just to recap, direct referrals is 10% and loyalty bonus, if it's a diamond account, it reaches up to 50% based on the PV. Alright? Now, as simple as the fast track, when you do this fast track, you only need to invite 2 people. If you want to start this business, make sure to a minimum of 2 people. Invite kayo. How many? How many? 2. 2 people. Sige, type nyo dyan. 2. So out of the 2 persons or 2 souls that you invite, let's just say they get silver, ha? So based on the silver, ayan po, silver dito, that is a direct referral of 20. Tapos may loyalty redemption bonus sa 70. So same thing here, $20, $70. Plus, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag namin level pairing na $80. So, di ba nagtaka sila, bakit may level pairing na? Yun yung kagandahan sa fast track na to. Kasi, once it enters the network or the network structure, may additional bonuses pa na papasok sa'yo. Clear ba yon? Okay. So, tignan nyo to ha. Paano ko po kung nag-focus ka sa diamond? For every diamond na makukuha mo naman, that's $200 sa sponsorship bonus, $1,000 sa LRB or yung tinatawag na loyalty redemption bonus. So same thing with this one. So that's another 1,200 plus you will get a pairing bonus na naman na $800, a total of $3,200. Good or very good? Ay, very good. Oh my gosh, grabe talaga yung income dito. So a lot of you are probably asking, what is this level pairing bonus? This is the structure, ladies and gentlemen. Once you sponsor them, once they get their account, you put them in the system, this is the level pairing. Ito po yung yung computation diyan. For every pair, pag nag-pairing po ang silver, you will get $80. Pag nag-pairing po ng gold, you will get $240. At pag nag-pairing po ng diamond, you will get $800. Now, how does this work? So, katulad yan, in-invite ako ni JCell. Pinasok niya ako ngayon. It's always the left. Pagpasok mo first time. So, for example, ako nag-silver ako, pumasok ako sa left, tapos nag-invite pa ulit si JCell, pinasok niya sa right. That is left and right. Every level, meron kang $80. Good? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, what happens if I invite somebody? If I invite somebody, for example, kumuha ako diamond, may na-invite ako nag-diamond. Yung in-invite ni JCell, nag-invite din, pero ang kinuha silver. Magpe-pairing rin yan, pero ibabase nila sa lower account. So, that's going to be $80. Pero nagkataon, yung invite ko, nag-diamond din, at yung invite naman nung isa, nag-diamond din, oh my gosh, may pairing bonus ka ngayon na $800. Question, ikaw pa ba nag-invite niyan? Hindi na. These are the effort ng ibang tao na. Can you imagine? This is the start of your business. Kasi ang kagandahan dito, once people start inviting, you will be getting benefits from that. That is why I love this system. Ladies and gentlemen, talagang ang galing talaga ng ganitong sistema. Alam ko marami sa inyo, this is the first time you've seen something like this, or probably some of you have seen it already at sawang-sawa na. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, a system of this kind of caliber, it's always just a system. You will know that this will work if the product is very, very good and very, very effective. Yes or yes? At the end of the day, our products work. That's why we're benefiting from this. Clear? And I believe when you start doing this as well, you will be benefiting from this as well. Alright? So, going back to this, every diamond, every silver, every gold that matches, every level has one pair for you. Ganong kaganda tong system natin. Every level may one pair na papasok sa inyo. And this goes on and on and on. Hanggat may bumibili, may pumapasok mong business sa inyo. And the good news, paano pag nag-upgrade? You will also benefit from that. Every upgrade, bibigay pa rin ng company sa iyo yung hindi nabigay sa iyo last time. Oh, di ba? Imagine mo yun, no? Ganong ka-generous yung company natin. Good? Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, ang kagandahan pa dito, we are just talking about the mid-income pa lang ha. Group, meron pa tayo, papasok na tayo sa mid-income, which is the group pairing bonus. Now, how does this work? Your percentage will definitely be will be computed depending on the membership that you availed. If you availed silver for obvious reasons, that is 8%, based on 8%. Gold is based on 10%, and diamond is based on 12%. And meron po tayong tinatawag na daily payout na for silver it's $300, gold is $900, and diamond is $3,750. Now, this is the thing. This benefit will only start from your 4th level. O, yan na ha. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's becoming, kung medyo nagiging complicated na konti. But believe me, I want you to review this and I want you to understand it next time. But just for this broadcast, I will explain everything. Would that be okay? Yes, thank you so much. Now, check this out. For example, magkaroon ka ng 10,000 points on your left side. Magkaroon ka ng 50,000 points on your right side. So, with this number, madedetermine mo ngayon kung sino yung strong leg at sino yung pay leg. Sa strong leg, obviously, si 50,000. So, that's on the right side. Eventually. Pwede siya mag-mix, it doesn't matter. Yung 10,000 will be your bonus leg. So, based on your bonus leg, dun ngayon magko-compute yung percentage ng membership mo. So, how does this work? So, sabihin nila sa 10,000 PV, kunin mo yung 8% niyan, that is $800. Yes? Kaya lang, remember guys because you're a silver, your maximum payout is $300. So you don't actually get the $800, you only get the $300. Clear po ba yon? Thank you so much. Now, let's move on. If you're a gold is based on $10 at 10%. So, kunin niyo po yung 10%, that's $1,000. But remember, a gold is may maximum income niya of $900. So you don't get the 1,000, but you do get the $900. Good? But this is the best. That's why I keep on telling people, if money is not an issue, you get a diamond account. Why? Because your diamond account doesn't just give you 12%, which is kung kinumpit mo dito, that's $1,200. And the good news, makukuha mo to ng buo. Why? Because your maximum daily payout is $3,750. So, pasok siya. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng pumasok, pasok sa iyo. Grabe, ganong katindi. At ang pinaka-the best dito, yung ating strong leg po, wala po siyang flash out. Meron po tayong tinatawag na strong leg retention. Ano ba yan? Nagbulol tuloy ako. Nakakahawa si Sir Oli kanina eh. Okay? So, nag-ano siya? So, meron po tayong strong leg retention. Oh, yun. Wow, what a mouthful, no? So, anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Once your network is getting bigger and bigger and getting stronger and stronger, you will be getting leaders under your team. And once there's leaders, it means may mga taong kumikita. At lahat ng kumikita doon, starting from your first generation, reaching to your sixth generation, you will be earning percentage from them. So based from this chart, pag diamond ka, umaabot mo ng sixth generation yung income mo. From your first generation of 10%, it reaches from 55555 papunta sa 6th generation nyo. Alright? Clear po ba yun? Okay. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, dito na po tayo sa back-end income natin. Nandito po yung tinatawag natin uni-level, which is, this is the maintenance bonus that we receive. Kasi nga, sabi nga in anything in life, we do maintenance. From the food, from taking a shower, that's maintenance for us Sa bahay, the electricity, the water, that's also maintenance. Same thing with your business. We do maintain our business by maintaining a $30 minimum purchase for maintenance purpose. So every time you do your maintenance, your business grows as well. Ito ngayon ang good news. Once your group is very healthy, dumadami yung nagme-maintain, you also earn from that. Kaya nga actually meron po itong computation na nakakalula. I'll be honest with you, nakakalula. So hindi ko na po masyado i-explain yan Basta every time your network maintains, you will also benefit from the maintenance bonus. Clear po ba yun? Okay, salamat po. Alright, now, once your network increases, your ranking elevates. Okay? Dumataas po. Tama ba yung term ko? Elevates. Okay? Umangat. Okay? So your network, once your network grows, your rank will grow as well. So we start our ranking from Future Star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and every rank up that you hit, you will get bonuses again. Kaya nga congratulations sa mga bago nating 1-star leaders, 2-star leaders, 3-star leaders, at yung mga future crown ambassadors dito po sa Zoom call na to. Congratulations as of now. Because I'm telling you, once you hit all of these markings, grabe, you will not just be earning from the network, you will be also earning from what we call the worldwide profit sharing. Now, what is this worldwide profit sharing? As your rank progress, yun yung hinahanap kong word. As your rank progresses, you will be earning a profit sharing. Ibig sabihin, the sales ng buong mundo, meron pong kurot na binibigay sa lahat ng mga rank ups dito. Good or very good? Very, very good. So lahat ng mga future leaders dito, ngayon pa lang, congratulations. Grabe talaga. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, just to give you a path on what you're gonna be doing in this business, my suggestion, invite a minimum of 2. And I'm telling you, instead of making it 2, let's make it 5. Look at this computation, ladies and gentlemen. Assuming you're a silver member and you invited silver people. Ano ba mga silver mga kinuha mo? So, the computation is so simple. Lahat po ito, meron kayong direct referral, meron kayong loyalty redemption bonus, meron kayong level pairing bonus. With just 5 people, this is the income na papasok sa inyo. So, the unit is nasa $350 for a classic. Ang bumalik sa inyo is $610. So, may bumalik ng pera? Yes. Anything excess of that is actually income. Profit na po yun. Alright? Ito naman po, a computation naman of diamonds. Tignan mo ito pag nag-focus ka sa diamonds. I'm telling you guys. Pag diamond ang finocus mo, mas malaki ang benefit. Can you imagine a total of $7,496 ang kinita mo na dito? Good or very good? Very, very good. Okay, this is a combination of income and redemption bonus. So, ladies and gentlemen, our business is really growing. It's really expanding. And right now, if you see this has been the global events that we have attended already. We attended the first anniversary po sa Malaysia. This is the second anniversary po sa Thailand that we attended. And ang maganda dito, we are expanding in North and Latin America, Europe, Africa, and can you imagine Asia, Australia, New Zealand is already open. Ganon na po katindi yung market natin, ganon na po katindi yung growth nitong business natin. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, if you are thinking of a business Bago man lang matapos ang taon na to, meron ka nang nasimulan. This is no accident. The reason why you're here, there is a huge purpose because we know that you are here for a reason. And the reason is not just for health, but also for financial breakthrough. If you're right here right now, I believe that nandito ka, it's not an accident. I'm believing na nandito ka kasi may purpose po para sa inyo. And you are the only person that can lead this business, this product to people in your circle. So, for the people who are here, congratulations for being here in our Zoom call. And anyway guys, first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for joining me sa ating presentation today. If you have any questions, please let us know. Please get in touch with the person who have sent you this video and let us help you build your business here with Prive International. My name is Rich Paredes. I'm your friend. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you.